Alright, so welcome to my run of Pokemon Sword. I have played through Shield before and beaten that. So, now I'm playing Sword. I decided to do something a little special for this run. I decided that I was going to use only one Pokemon type in this run. And I didn't want to repeat a type that any of the gym leaders use or any of the main, like, NPCs. Like BD uses flying, or not flying, sorry. BD uses psychic and fairy types. So even though there's no psychic gym, I couldn't use psychic types because BD does, you know? Things like that. And like I couldn't do steel because Chairman Rose uses steel types, things like that. So that left me with 6 types to choose from. And so I put a team together for each type and posted it. And, my friends voted and they decided that we were going to do a flying types only run. So I went into Shield and I breeded all of my that's a word. I bred all of my Pokemon that I want on my team. So they're all level 1. And so I'm going to import them into Sword from Pokemon Home. That's where they are right now. But in order to do that, I have to start the game first. So we're gonna go ahead and start Sword. We're gonna get into it. I'm gonna choose my starter and stuff. This goes. Oh, I'm blonde now. I could be the blonde. Yeah, I'm gonna be the blonde. And my name is Nixa because I came up with that name when I was like a child. And why not? I like it. It doesn't mean anything, so don't even ask. Oh yeah, side note, I'm working on completing a living dex, and before Sword and Shield came out, the only 2 Pokemon I was missing were Hoopa and Volcanion, but I have everything else, so that's why I was able to like breed everything so easily. Yeah, so I'm also going to be working on completing my living dex with what I haven't gotten from Shield yet, so I have a list. It's not that many things, but it's like literally like half of it is just the 2 starter evolution lines that aren't Sobble, because that's the one I picked in Shield. I love this game, like, so much. Like, nothing will ever top Sapphire for me just because it was my first one and it's got the nostalgia factor and I like played it a million times, but this is definitely my favorite like recent Pokemon game. It's so good. Already picked Sobble when I played Shield, so I have all of that evolution line in my living dex already. So I gotta pick one of the other 2, and I'm pretty sure that someone traded me a Scorbunny in Pokemon Home. So I think I have that already. So, Grant's gonna be happy I'm picking Grookey. And I will not use it at all. It's not a flying type. I can't use it in my flying types run. I'm sorry, I'll pay more attention to the story later, but like the beginning is just so boring. It's always the same. It's like, choose your Pokemon, go out on your adventure, we'll talk to you later. Okay, I lied. I'll use Grookey once. One time. Only to fight Hop. That's it. Also, I think it's kind of lame that they switched it where the rival chooses the type that you're strong against. Because they used to choose the one that you're weak against so that they could beat you. Which makes more sense. Like, why would you choose to be weaker than me? And then be like, I'm gonna beat you! Like, it doesn't make any sense. You wish it was random? That would be interesting. That would mess with speedruns a lot. Usually. I mean, there's a lot of RNG, like a lot more compared to other games, but I mean, there are certain things that you can count on. Yeah, but then they always have to like roll for the starter's stats too. So it'd be so like if you get a starter with good stats and then the rival chooses the wrong one, like you're screwed. Yeah, there's a reason I don't do speedruns. Don't got the patience for that nonsense. Yes, I do already know about type advantages because I'm a Pokemon Master, Hop, okay? Your first Pokemon cannot be Mew.
Which is why when
Alright, now that we have the Pokédex, let us go get those flying types. My little babes. Okay. Alright, so this is gonna be my team, guys. Alright. Let's go pick them up. I'm a very offensive Pokemon trainer. Pretty much if it doesn't do a lot of damage, I probably won't use that. What moves do they know? Okay, hold on. Let's look at my team, shall we? So we've got Delibird. Who knows? Present. I've never used a Delibird. I don't know. Okay, this is gonna suck. Yeah, it sometimes heals them. Love it! Can't wait for that to bite me in the butt. Alright, we got Gust and Leer on Volibee. Minimize and Astonish on Drifloon. Gmax Charizard? What is that? What is that? Gmax? Giga? Oh, Gigamax. You know? I don't know. Cause I don't really do the Gigantamax thing. Absorb? I'm sorry, back up. Noibat knows Absorb. How random. Okay. Whatever. Anyway. Yeah, I don't know, because I already have a regular Charizard, and I don't really do the Dynamax thing, so... So we gotta learn some flying type moves before then. We gotta get higher than level 1. That's the goal right now, because otherwise we're not going anywhere. Oh, good. Good, a bug type. So I won't be able to do a lot of damage to my Delibird. Oh, they're all level 5 around here? This is... Yeah, but I couldn't use Charizard because Leon has one. I gave myself some rules where I couldn't repeat types that other NPCs have, and I couldn't repeat individual Pokemon either. So, like, even though Charizard's a flying type, I can't use it because Leon has one. You know? Ah, okay, so I do have to Battle Hop, but it's after they heal me. Alright, let's go! I like that her cane has a bird on it. It's like fitting for my flying types run. You know, it's like she knew. She got the memo. Alright, here we go, Hop. Time to kick your butt. Prepare to lose. I think they're all going to be higher levels than mine now. Oh, no, we're good. Alright, sweet. You know, if I was smart, I would have picked Scorbunny so that Hop would have the grass type starter, Grookey. But I needed Grookey for my living dex. And they made trading so annoying in this game. Like, you can't trade online. If you want to trade online, you have to do it in Pokemon Home. Which is a whole process. Whatever. I'll get around to it eventually. I made a list of things that I need to collect during this playthrough that I'm missing from Shield, and it's only like 9 things, I think. Do I want to switch? Yes. Gotta go in order. Natu's just so cute, okay? I can't get over, like, so small and round. Oof. Alright, time to switch. I always thought that Noibat was a poison type because it's purple, but it's not. It's a flying dragon type, or at least Noivern is. I don't remember if Noibat is also a dragon type. Whatever. I like confusing my enemies. Ooh, Drifloon's level 10. We're hitting double digits. Alright, who's next? That's exactly my sort of match. Maybe it's Hop that has the Corviknight. Which is why I couldn't use it on my team. Ooh, crit! You've got plenty of spirit, that's for sure. That's what that means. Getting a crit means I have spirit, guys. You heard the man. Sorry, Hop. I love you, but had to do it to you. I love Hop's character development. I think it's some of the best rival development in the Pokemon games. Nah, well, yeah, we're doing it. Trying to get your team together. I feel that struggle. That was me a couple days ago. Okay, alright, okay. I think I want ponytail. Thoughts? Ponytail? Or pigtails? Alright. I guess I'm just gonna leave it platinum. Yes! Ready. And then I'm gonna do my makeup because I gotta be cute, okay? Now give me makeup! Thick eyebrows. My eyebrows are brown. Well, which brown though? That one looks better. My eyes are brown. Although we could do something fun. Rainbow? Thoughts? Rainbow eyes? Or stars. Really? We're doing the stars? Alright, we're doing the stars, guys. And then blue, because I'm a flying type trainer. I look absolutely lush, guys. Lush. What a cutie patootie. I'm gonna hate this eventually, but, you know, for now. I thought I was gonna hate Team Yell when I saw the commercials for this game before it came out. I thought Team Yell was gonna be so dumb and annoying. But I love it. I love that they're not actually evil. They're just like crazy fans. Like, they don't want to hurt Pokemon. They just want Marnie to win. It makes me happy. We did it, folks. Our first Team Yell win. Is it easy to get Mudbray? Well, I just saw some in the wild area, like, the first time you go into it. So yeah, it's like pretty early. Like, there were a bunch running around when I was on my way to this city. But I don't know if it depends on the weather. We found Palpitoad. That would be a good one. That's a ground type, right? Yeah, he's like water ground, right? I don't know. I always loved Mudkip. That was my first Pokemon ever, was a Mudkip. And so, you know, I'm a little partial when it comes to water ground types. Swampert's my man. Double battle, let's go! I love double battles. I wish everything was a double battle forever. I mean, Swampert the best. Like, Mudkip is objectively the best starter, right? I will fight anyone who disagrees. Mudkip is the best. Like, of any gen. Doesn't matter. Mudkip's the best. You chose Mudkip on Mystery Dungeon? I didn't have the option for Mudkip. Because the quiz gave me Charmander. And then... No, I guess I could have picked Mudkip for my partner. I don't remember why I didn't. I ended up choosing Trico. I think I was worried about water types beating Charmander, so that's why I picked a grass type to have some coverage. Yeah, you can say no to the quiz, but I don't know, it feels like cheating to me. You answer all these questions and it's like, here's what you are. And then if you say no, it's like, I don't know. Like, it doesn't really matter. You know. I had played Explorers of Darkness recently, right before Mystery Dungeon came out, the new one. And I had gotten Charmander in that, too, and had chosen Bulbasaur as my partner. So when I got Charmander again on the new one, I was like, it's fate. It's meant to be. I really am a Charmander. Like, why else would I get the same thing twice? With different questions in a completely different game. Like, it wasn't even like I played Blue Rescue Team. Like, I played a completely different Mystery Dungeon game, but I still got the same result. Payback? I don't even know what this does. Stores power attack. So, if you go last. Alright, I'll take it. Wow, I haven't even really like used Drifloon yet, and that's one of the ones I was more excited about using. Alright, Hop, get ready to lose again. I don't know what you think's changed since last time. Aw, bye, I love you. Thanks for watching. Oh, it's like time, isn't it? You guys are gonna go do yoga. Okay, have fun with your yoga. Okay, don't be rude. Oh, I guess you're not doing yoga. I didn't realize all three of you were still watching. That's what they're doing. Sweet, that gives me more time. I'm trying to get through the first gym, and then I'll stop for today after that, but it takes a lot longer to get there than I remembered. Oh, please live. I wasn't paying enough attention. Okay. Alright, switching out. Sure. Delibird, now's your chance. Oh, he's one of Grant's friends. Sorry, Grant's boyfriend. That's who it is. Don't heal him. Please don't heal him. Come on. Okay, alright, we're good. Ugh! Trash! Delibird, get it together! I really need a TM. Something else that I can teach Delibird. Because this is gonna be rough. If I'm relying on present for this whole thing. Hell yeah. Until it heals. Oh, it's already done that a couple times. It's been super fun watching it, you know, go down and then suddenly it's like halfway back up again. Really fun. It's a good time. That's what you think, Hop. Oh shoot, I didn't realize it was level 14. I should have been training more. This might be bad. I definitely did not train enough before this fight. I thought I'd have more time. Just hobble, come on. Just be confused and then hurt yourself. Help me out here. How did I get them? No, I had to, I had them in Shield, and so I bred them to get them all to be level 1, and then I transferred them in through home. Yeah, I'm also working on my living decks kind of at the same time, so I have a list of, other Pokemon that I'm looking for, but there aren't that many. It's mostly just the starters. And then I still need, like, this sword exclusive, so, like... I need Flapple. And Surfetch. You know. Stonjourner. Whatever that is. But mostly I just need to go back and breed the starters that I didn't use in my casual run of Shield. You can't find it? What was your weather like in the wild area? Ooh. Maybe it might be a version exclusive. I'm gonna feel really bad if it is, because I told you it'd be easy to get. It was right in the first area of the wild area. So yeah, it should be there. If it's a version exclusive, it won't, but I don't think it is. It was like kind of close to the lake. Like if you're walking around the lake to the right to get to Motostoke, then it was over there. We're almost there, guys. Hey, Sobble, you cut that out. You stop that. Bad for being champions. He just started! We just started our journey. Okay. 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 And we all know that I am the Pokemon master out of the two of us. Yes, this would be better. Alright, who's next? Volibee, let's go. Is it Volibear? Volibee? Volibear? I don't know. I feel like it should be Volibee, but it's spelled like lullaby. So I don't know. I mean, probably. You were telling me about all the awesome Pokemon you have, so I wouldn't be surprised. This rival battle is already taking so much longer than I wanted it to. I just want to go explore! How dare you? How dare you lower my defense? Don't you know that I'm scared of getting hurt, so I maxed out my defense? It's rude. There we go. We good. We good. We Gucci. Ooh, another flying type move. This will be good. Aw, he gave me his league card. How cute. Okay, so them giving away their own league cards in this game gives me the same vibe as, like, I don't know if anyone else's parents did this, but every year after, like, school pictures came back, my mom would order a bunch of the, like, wallet-sized ones and would give them to me to give out to my friends. Like, she wanted me to just go up to my friends and hand them a physical photograph of myself. I don't know why. But I always thought it was the weirdest thing. No, I should have autographed it though. Didn't even think of that. I wouldn't even take it from her. I would just hand it back and be like, no, I'm not doing that. Like, how can you imagine, like, being in high school? Like, high school, she would do this to me. Being in high school and having one of your friends walk up to you and hand them a picture of themselves. Like, no one wants that. I don't even want pictures of myself. Like, I don't want pictures of random people either. I don't know. Aw, well, I appreciate it. I probably would have thrown it away, honestly. Magnet. Well, no. I don't know. She keeps, like, even now, she keeps trying to give me a bunch of pictures to, like, take with us when we move. And I'm like, she's giving me my own baby pictures. Like, I'm gonna hang up my own baby pictures in my house. And then people are gonna come over and be like, who's that baby? Oh, it's me. Like, I don't know. I think it's so weird. Fight me! Prepare to lose. Your psychic fairy types are going down. Okay, when I was playing Shield casually, I was very excited that he uses psychic fairy types because those are some of my favorites. Aw, okay, we'll miss you. Have fun. Yeah, and then I decided to do this run, and I wanted to do, like, psychic types or fairy types because those are so fun, but this jerk took them. Same. My Ditto also lives in the daycare. Never leaves. Oh yes, Magikarp knows tackle. Making moves. Five more levels and then I'll have a water type. I'll be able to survive against some rock types. You don't need to be testing out any moves, BD. You just need to be losing. That's all you gotta worry about. Why is that super effective? Oh, it's a dragon type. Duh. Unfortunate. Okay, have fun. Enjoy your walk. I'll probably still be here when you get back. It's taken a long time to get to that first gym. I feel like it's going a lot faster than it did when I played through Shield the first time because I'm not like stopping to talk to everyone and explore everything. Because I already did that. I'm pretty sure the first gym is after this one. Almost there. Take that, BD. Who's the Pokemon Master now? Alright, first gym. Let's go. Time to herd some Wooloo. Man, even the water's green. Professional. I'm a professional sheep herder. Shepherd. There's a word for that. So good. Now fight me! Going down, buddy. Leafage. Amateur. Alright, let's keep going. We're gonna go around to the right so I can battle this guy. So good, guys. I'm the best Pokemon trainer there is. Whenever I see Oddish, I think of this one time when I was in high school. I was just starting to get into the like Reddit scene, you know? I mean, it wasn't Reddit, but it was like a site like that. Anyway, I had drawn an Oddish on my math notes in class one day. That's annoying. And I had taken a picture of it and posted it on the website to like show off my drawing skills, I guess. But it was like right underneath one of the problems and I had run out of space, so I couldn't crop that out. And so then like pretty much the only comment on my post was like, oh yeah, you made sure to include the math in there so that you look smart. And I was like, no, but okay. Made me sad. Never posted on that website again. Alright, one more little straggler. And then I'll fight you first. She looks tired. Me too. Another auto? See, it just makes me think about that one time I was cyberbullied. It wasn't even that bad. Acid? Who said you could use acid? Oh, wow. That would have made my life so much easier a minute ago. I didn't realize that the Yampers are hers. And so if you fight her first, then the Yampers get out your way. Alright, let's do it, ladies and gents. The gym panel. Yeah, my flying types are gonna need luck against this grass gym leader. Sounds legit. I'm bothered that he doesn't have a nose. He's the only one who doesn't have a nose. Where is it? He just looks like a Ditto trying to be a gym leader. He might be, but Ditto's not a grass type, okay? I have many problems with this. Okay. Alright, Milo. You ready to get your butt beat? dislike. Strong dislike. That did very little. Yeah, might as well. See a giant Delibird. How rude! Gave you permission? You just started? That's exciting. It's gonna be a whole new adventure for you, buddy. Alright, one more. It means we only got a couple minutes till I'm signing out. That is a good question. I wanna say you've been here for like 2 hours, maybe? A little over 2 hours? Maybe a little longer. I was gonna Dynamax on the first turn. Can you confuse Dynamax Pokemon? Go very well. Oh, please hit yourself. Please. Yes! Alright, we survived. Survived the Dynamax. Oh good, it'll stop healing now. Okay, well it's my turn to heal. Like a pretty good team. I think it'll be pretty fun. And there it is, folks. First gym leader has been beaten. Yes, I want to learn Nightshade. What do I get rid of? What do I get rid of? These moves are trash too. It's better than what it already knows. Oop, oop, we're learning bite. Ooh, Magikarp is getting pretty close to evolving. Wow, his hand's so big compared to mine. We did it!